Well, here we are, the atmosphere just beginning to build to what surely will be an exciting game of football.
And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. Really well played.
That's nicely played.
It's Messi with the ball.
Wonderful team play.
The manager will already be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same.
Rolled out by the goalkeeper. Great patience here.
Good defending.
And he's one-on-one with the keeper. Oh, it's a goal!
Rodri. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all.
That's good link-up play.
Good distribution. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player.
Here's Mane.
Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution.
Oh, he must score. Oh, and it's saved by the goalkeeper.
And that one swung into the box.
Oh, well intercepted. Alisson collects. Passed well.
Poor tackle there. That's it for now. It's half-time.
The manager's decided to make one small change to his squad. That one has gone out of play.
Throw-in taken short. Defender is on the ball.
They're just looking to keep the ball.
Confident pass. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all.
Their passing has been so accurate.
This team look eager for more goals, and it's looking likely they'll get them. He should have done better with that one. And back to the goalkeeper.
That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player.
Played back to the goalkeeper.
Finds his teammate.
The shot's on.
He should do better there. And the manager's making a change here.
The manager will be very happy here. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. He tries something special.
Allison, fantastic stop.
He got a good hand behind that. And that's into the box.
Oh, fantastic block.
It's an own goal. What was he doing?
Got to feel sorry for him there. It's every player's worst nightmare to put the ball into his own net. Safety first, back to the goalkeeper.
What a chance!
And he fires wide into the side netting. The replay will give us a closer look.
And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. Oh, it's a clear chance. And it's a goal. They've drawn level. Well, 90 minutes couldn't separate these teams. Let's see if another 30 minutes can.
And the coach is changing things round. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
Off we go then for another 30 minutes. Oh, he gave the goalkeeper no chance.
Striker's ball. They're moving the ball about so well. The ball played back.
Great patience here.
Won the ball.
Can he finish it?
The shot well blocked there. Gets it to safety. It's with the defender now.
Now Diaz. Kante.
And it's back to the keeper. It's Messi with the ball.
Salah. And there we have it, an exciting game. The one team got a vital goal to win 3-2.